Hi, I'm John Muma with the City of Lakeville and the Construction Services Division. I would like to highlight a few things that take place during a street project. Spot curb and gutter replacement is one of those things. Examples of spot curb and gutter that will be replaced are areas that are severely damaged or broken and curb that does not allow the flow of water during storm events. Examples of curb and gutter that would not be replaced include minor or moderate cracking and any chipped curb, as these are just cosmetic damages. Removal and damaged curb and gutter may impact driveways. This would typically occur in asphalt driveways where sections up to 5 feet from the back of curb may need to be replaced. Typically, in concrete driveways, this area would not have to be replaced. However, if city staff mark concrete driveways for replacement, it would typically be up to that first joint. Other instances of driveway removals may be due to utility improvements such as fire hydrants, water valves, and storm sewer systems. The removal limits vary depending on proximity and scope of work to be completed during a street project. There's potential for limited access to your property. Typically, this only occurs if concrete work is needed across the full width of your driveway. City staff will deliver door hangers a minimum of 24 hours in advance if access is limited for any reason. During this process, areas in the lawn that may be disturbed to facilitate constructions include areas behind curb and gutter that are marked for removal, areas surrounding driveways marked for removal, around storm sewer catch basins, and grates and around some fire hydrants. For instance, with concrete curb and gutter, 1 foot either side of the marked curb and 4 feet behind it may be impacted due to construction. With driveways, impact limits may be 2 feet either side of the driveway and 1 foot beyond the removal limits. The impact limits around fire hydrants may be up to 4 feet behind the fire hydrant and 8 feet either side. Special attention in these areas may be needed for private features located within the city right-of-way. If you would like to protect your private features from damage during construction, such as irrigation or sprinkler systems, pet containment systems, and landscaping, please temporarily remove them from the city right-of-way in areas that will be impacted by construction. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated. For more information about the street projects, please visit the City of Lakeville's website at lakevillemn.gov.